Hey guys, so I was just thinking about collecting firewood in nature. A lot of you might be concerned about different kinds of bugs, insects, termites and things that live in the wood, and you don't want to bring it inside your home because you're worried that they'll, infest everything and it won't be good, and you're worried about all that kind of thing. Just kind of, this is something that's been a concern of ours as well. So we decided, there's been a few times now we haven't taken certain wood because we thought, oh, what if it's got this in it, or, what if it's that, and then we've gone without. But what we've actually worked out is a really, really cool thing is that we no longer have to really worry about it anymore. So what we noticed is the last time Aaron decided to cut up a piece of wood and it had a few grubs in there, there are a lot of little birds and little native wildlife that come along, and that is their food. They eat the grubs, they eat the termites, they eat those things. So at the end of the day, Mother Nature just does her job. Basically, everything's self-sustainable. It's the circle of life. Yes, it's, you're worried about bugs and things like that, but there are so many wildlife and birds around this area that feed off that kind of thing. So wherever there's wood, there's bugs. But don't despair. We have a solution. Let us show you Mother Nature at work. Not only is this wood going to keep us warm, but it's also going to feed all the native birds and wildlife around the area by giving them grubs to feed on.
I think what we just experienced there, guys, is Mother Nature at its best.